In this video, we're going to discuss integration leading to natural logarithm. We are going to use the following formulas. The integral of 1 over x plus ln x, the integral of 1 over ax plus b is equal to 1 over a ln of ax plus b plus c, the integral of f prime of x over f of x dx is equal to the natural logarithm of f of x plus c, the integral of 1 over u is equal to ln u plus c. Actually, these two, the formula number 3 and 4, are actually the same formula. Now, let's try to figure out how are we going to apply these formulas to answer the questions. For example, we have this example number 1. So that is 1 over 2x. So this one can actually be written as 1 over 2, the integral of 1 over x dx. So this one straightly follows the formula number 1. So this is equal to 1/2 times the natural logarithm of x plus c. And that is our final answer. Let's try to look at the example number 2. Suppose we're looking for the integral of this. This one follows directly the formula number 2, where a is equal to 4 and b is equal to -1. Therefore, by following this formula, so we have a 1 over a, so that is 1 over 4, the natural logarithm of 4x minus 1 plus c, and that's it. So that's our integral. This one also follows example number 2 or formula number 2. But this 3, we can just put it outside. So maybe we can rewrite it 1 over 2x plus 3 dx. If you get used to this one, like you don't need to bring out the 3 if you want to. So this, let's find the integral of this using this formula number 2. So that is 1 over 2. This 1 over a natural logarithm of 2x plus 3. Then you multiply this by 3. Then you just simply add plus c. So therefore the final answer is 3 over 2 natural logarithm of 2x plus 3 plus c. Let's proceed to the next example. Suppose I have example number 4. Here, as you can see, we have the integral of 6x over 3x squared plus 1 dx. So as you can see from here, if you're going to notice, the derivative of the denominator is equal to 6x, right? So therefore, this one follows the form that is your f of x, and above it is the f prime of x. Okay? So therefore the integral now is equal to natural logarithm of 3x squared plus 1 plus c. Okay? Because the formula is the integral of f prime of x over f of x dx is natural logarithm of f of x plus c. Now let's try to figure it out. How are we going to use this formula to answer our question? Actually, all of this could be answered by this one formula. So it's actually better if you know this formula. Okay? So that is the integration by substitution. So it says, so let me write the formula. It's 1 over u du. Okay? You think of this one, as you can see, the u there has no power. The u is just raised to 1. And this expression here, this entire expression, there is no power, like parentheses raised to something. So therefore, you may need to look at the 1 over u formula if you encounter that one. So again here, you can let your u as 3x squared plus 1 And after that, you take the du dx, and the du dx is 6x. So by substitution, the original question, this portion here is u, so that is u. And take a look that here we have an expression that says 6x dx. Okay? So let's try to take that expression from here. So basically from here we can see that the du is equal to 6x dx. So therefore, this is now equal to du. So, or let me just write this one properly. So there's now 1 over u derivative of u. And what is that 1? This is the natural logarithm of u. Or, therefore, our final answer is the natural logarithm of u, which is 3x squared plus 1 plus c. So this and that are actually the same. Now, if you get used to this formula, if you can think of this one directly, then that's awesome. That's going to be perfect. However, if it's better if you practice this one, integration by substitution, because this is always applicable wherever you go, right? Next, I want you to look at this. So in this case, this is pretty much obviously related to this, because here the derivative of tangent x is secant squared x. So therefore, if that is your f of x, this one is, by inspection, that is your f prime of x. So it follows the form. Okay? So therefore, what's the formula for that? That's what we've said, that is equal to natural logarithm of f of x plus c. So therefore, our final answer is natural logarithm of tangent x plus c. So that's the answer. Let's try to use substitution. We can let u as tangent x. So you let u as your tangent x. Then the du dx is secant squared x. So from here we can see that we have secant squared x dx. So therefore by substitution, this is going to be u. So let's just copy that one, u. And the secant squared x dx, from here we can see that the du is equal to secant squared x dx. Okay? So therefore this is now 1 du, which is equal to ln u plus c. But your u is tangent x, so therefore the final answer is ln of tangent x plus c. Alright? So there you go. So in the next video, I'm going to give you more examples of integration by integration leading to natural logarithm.